Hello, my name is Will and welcome along to another Rudiment of the Week.
Rudiment of the Week.
This week we're going to be looking at the Paradiddle-diddle. That's right, the Paradiddle-diddle, because sometimes one diddle just isn't enough. Today I want to show you how to play the Paradiddle-diddle pattern on the practice pad here before we take it over to the drum kit to look at some rather tasty sounding drum fills that you can learn as well. Now the pattern is actually 6 notes long and it's 2 singles followed by 2 doubles. So you have right, left, right, right, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, right, right, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So effectively it's a paradiddle-diddle with an extra double on the end, or the diddle if you like. And you're going to want to practice that quite a few times and just loop it round and round over and over again. And it will take a bit more time because it is 6 notes long. So let's have a quick practice on the practice pad. Oh, practice on the practice pad. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, once you have that down, I want to see if you can accent the first right hand of your paradiddle-diddle pattern. This means that the first right-handed single is going to be louder than the rest of the notes. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right. And again, you're going to want to practice that and loop it over and over again. We'll worry about the timing in just a moment when we get to the drum fills, but for now, give that a go, practicing your paradiddle-diddle now with the accent on the first right hand. Should sound something like this. Once you have the pattern down, you're also going to want to try and play a little bit faster because you're going to need that speed when we get to the drum fills. Once you have that pattern down, it's time for the exciting bit. It's time to get into those drum fills, but also into how we count the paradiddle-diddle. Now, the great thing about the paradiddle-diddle is that actually it lives in 2 worlds. You can play it in 16th notes, but you can also play it in 16th note triplets, which means we're getting 2 types of drum fill for 1 rudiment, which is pretty damn good value if you ask me. Go on, ask me. What do you reckon about the value of the rudiment? Yeah, I think it's actually cracking value. If I wanted to get more value out of these sorts of drum lessons, where would I get them from? Yeah, just like this video, subscribe to the channel, and you probably get more value just like out of this drum lesson. Okay, cool. Should we go back to the lesson? Yeah, we really should. It's quite weird that we've just done this. Now, we're going to look at the 16th note pattern first. 16th notes are the ones that we count 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. They're 4 hits per beat. 16 in total if you're playing 1 bar of drum fill, which is what we are going to do. However, our paradiddle-diddle is 6 notes long. So that means we're only going to be able to play that pattern through fully twice. And that will give us 12 notes with 4 notes left over. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to play 2 paradiddle-diddles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to have 4 notes left over, not 4 nets, and we're going to play those 4 notes initially on the snare drum. So we're going to play the paradiddle-diddle, the first one with our right hand on the rack tom and our left hand on the snare. We're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second paradiddle-diddle we're going to play on the floor tom, and we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those back to back sound like this. And then we're going to have our 4 notes left over on the snare drum. 4 re-ander at the end there. So all together you get this. Straight away it sounds quite exciting and very different to when you play single strokes. What's also quite cool is when you do have a remainder of 4 left over, we don't always have to perhaps just play those 4 notes as 4 on the snare. We can experiment with those bits. So I'm going to keep the paradiddle-diddles in the same place for a moment, but instead of playing 4 strokes of right left on the snare, I'm going to play snare, rack tom, floor, floor. So my last 4 notes are going to be so that means when I play it with the paradiddle-diddle patterns, I've got this. If you can play the 16th note drum fill, you might also want to see if you can play the 16th note triplet version as well. 16th note triplets are 6 hits per beat. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or sometimes we count them as 1 under, 1 under, 2 under, 2 under, 3 under, 3 under, 4 under, 4 under. And what's brilliant about this one is that the paradiddle-diddle is 6 notes long, and we've got to hit 6 notes per beat. So it's just going to fit perfectly and it's going to feel real good. Come on. You're going to have to probably move your hands a little bit faster. You might even want to slow the groove down as well to give yourself enough time. 6 notes per beat is a lot to fit in a very short amount of time. But we're going to slow things down and see if we can play that now as triplets. So this will actually work out that you'll have 4, I don't know what that is, 4 paradiddle-diddles in that pattern. So let's give this a go. 4 paradiddle-diddles played between the rack tom and the floor tom. So I'm actually going to just go between the 2. So the drum fill will sound like this. So you really do get 2 drum fills for the value of 1 there. We've just learnt how to play them in 2 different subdivisions, 16th notes and 16th note triplets. And that's not easy. So if you did struggle with that, don't worry. And if you are still struggling with it, don't worry as well. Pause the video, keep practicing, and I promise the more and more comfortable you get moving that paradiddle-diddle around the drum kit, the easier it will become. However, if you can play both, I want to challenge you now. Can you play both of those drum fills back to back? So I want you to play a bar of your drum groove and then your 16th note drum fill, then go back to playing another bar of your drum groove and then see if you can play a bar of 16th note triplets with the paradiddle-diddle. It is quite a mouthful today. It should sound something like this. Top tip, really take your time with this one. Don't shoot off too fast playing that drum beat at the beginning, because if you do, by the time you get to the triplets, it's going to be too fast to fit that many notes into such a short amount of space. So really take your time. Now what we've now created is a brilliant blueprint that we can use to get more value out of the paradiddle-diddle. We can just tweak the pattern and the orchestration slightly, and it creates even more drum fills for us to use. So for example, try this one. Instead of playing our paradiddle-diddle pattern has right, left, left, all on the rack tom, put the first right hand on the crash with the bass drum. So now I've got paradiddle-diddle. I'm then going to do the same thing in the second paradiddle-diddle between the crash and the floor tom. Paradiddle-diddle. And by putting those together, I get this. And I can plug both of those patterns into both of my drum fills. So my 16th note drum fill pattern, if I add those in, would sound like this. That one sounds particularly cool when you speed it up. I can then use the exact same pattern in the 16th note triplet idea. So I'm not changing anything, I'm still playing 4 paradiddle-diddles in a row, but now we've got our kind of crash motif that's going in there as well. So once you have that down, you can start to move your right hand around perhaps onto different cymbals. You don't always have to hit a crash. You could hit the ride, the stacker, the hi-hat, and you can start to experiment a little bit more just by moving that paradiddle-diddle pattern around on the drum kit to see what you come up with. Here's just a couple more ideas, just because, you know, it's just really good fun to play. so much fun to play. I hope from watching this video, you've got a really good idea of how you can start to use the paradiddle-diddle more in your drum fills. Now, what's great is that I've only actually shown you 2 different orchestrations of the paradiddle-diddle there, and there are hundreds, probably thousands more that you could come up with yourself. And what's great is by just learning one pattern, remember, you get 2 drum fills because we've learned today how to play in the 16th notes, but also in the 16th note triplets. So I challenge you to come up with your own paradiddle-diddle drum fills. And if you do come up with some of your own ones, please tag me on Instagram with you playing it. I'd love to see how you're getting on. I hope you got something from this video. And if you have, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more drum lessons just like this one. My name is Will, and I'll see you again soon.